Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is density, mass per unit volume, symbol ρ. By the end of this video you'll know the formula, the units and why oil floats on water. Density is mass divided by volume. The symbol is ρ, the Greek letter. The formula, ρ equals m over v. Units, kilograms per cubic meter, kilogram over meter squared, or sometimes gram per meter squared. Density is a material property, the same for every chunk of the same substance. Three things. 1. Solids are densest, gases least dense. 2. Less dense things float on more dense things. Oil floats on water. Hot air balloons rise in cooler air. 3. Convert. 1 gram per centimeter cubed equals 1,000 kilogram per meter cubed. Common slip. Mixing up density, kilogram per meter cubed, with mass, kilogram, or weight, newtons. They're different. Quick example, a copper block, 0.45 kilogram in a volume of 50 centimeters cubed. Convert the volume, 50 centimeter cubed, in equals 5 times 10 to the minus 5 meter cubed. Density equals 0.45 divided by 5 times 10 to the minus 5 equals 9,000 kilogram per meter cubed. Close to the standard value for copper, 8,960. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision piece planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks in maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.